This just in from Kansas. Puma USA. Puma Knife Company USA. The knife did not come with a sheath, so I ordered a sheath. Many of them don't. The fixed blades do. Folders don't. My belt pouch. This is the black. You can get a brown leather. And if you notice on here, I think it says Puma, Puma, Puma on the snap. This sheath can be worn horizontally or vertically. It's got slots both ways. Here's the box. And our bait. Handmade. That's what it is. Puma Duke. Focus. Oh. Focus. Good God. It says Puma Duke stag horns, not in focus. There we go. And the bottom of the box. If you go to this website, Puma Knives DE, that is the German website. And they have a USA rep, there's a Canadian rep, etc., etc. Oop. Foam packing. Foam box. Knife is in a Ziploc bag, which is cool. Sheath is in a Ziploc bag, which is cool, especially since it's so humid now. Well, not today so much, but nasty weather in New England. This is a Puma Duke. You can see it's got the jibbing and the Rockwell sticker. The German knives look different than the SGB line in that focus. They have a round slot, goes all the way through, you know, to pull the blade out, which I like, which is cool instead of a nail neck. However, but the SGB line has just a square kind of a notch on one side. It's the same length and shape overall. This is solid brass bolsters. 0.12 inch blade. Some type of European stag. Handles are not huge, but they're adequate. Stand by. This is the first time I've done this, obviously.